Here's how Nano Banana can change your YouTube thumbnails. This is one of the best tools when it comes to editing things, and I think it's going to replace Photoshop entirely. So this is a very powerful tool, and I can't wait to use it for today's video. So if you're excited about what this tool is capable of, please watch to the end, because this is a very good model. So as you can see, it's only 4 cents per image versus OpenAI's, which is like super expensive. It's like 19 per image. And I like this model a lot more is because like I spend 8 cents on 2 images. I pick the best one versus OpenAI where I have to spend 40 cents for 2 images. This is like miles cheaper, almost like 5 times cheaper than OpenAI. So this crushes Sam Altman. But now we are going to basically make a prompt. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this image of Brad Pitt, and then we're going to take this top image, and then we're gonna say replace Porsche with AI automations and have the chat GPT logo be hand drawn. As we can see, we have Brad Pitt, we have the logo, and we're going to change the text. And yeah, it should imprint 2 images. Should be pretty good, but this is really good when it comes to, I think, editing things for the most part. Oh, wow. Bro, that looks so realistic. Oh my gosh, I'm actually impressed. Bro, and also this looks pretty insane as well. Holy. Bro, that is insanely hard. Oh my gosh, I actually thought that was real. Okay, yeah, this is interesting because like you're seeing it all live, and I think that this is like super cool. Like I didn't even need to use Photoshop. It's just doing the magic. Yeah, that's insane. And then we can look at a couple of thumbnails for the most part. And then, yeah, let's do this. We can say new video, please watch. Hand drawn on shirt. Bro, this is actually insane. Oh my gosh. Like I can't get over this. Yeah, this is pretty good stuff. I really just like how clean this all looks. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Ah. Alright. And then, yeah, like, I'm blown away. But here's my failed attempts. Like, what? What is this? Oh my gosh, so funny. But this is a Nano Banana. I would have more commentary, but I was just insanely impressed with this. This stuff blows me away. Hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, see you in the next one.